Hi my sweet people, today I'm actually making 3 types of mug cakes, and if you want to know how I make them, then do keep on watching. The first mug cake I'll be doing is vanilla mug cake, and the items you need will be flour, butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, milk, salt, sugar, and some sprinkles. Just get a mixing bowl and then you can add in your butter and sugar and mix them first. Just mix as you go when you add the items, so it's better to use soft butter because it'll be easier to mix. And then you can add in some vanilla extract. Next you can add in the flour and continue mixing, and together with your salt. We can take it real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, Begging on my knees, I'm just trying. Once you've mixed, then you can add in your milk and continue mixing. Feel real. You know I can't exist without you. Yeah, it's true. Could be any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Girl, we can take it real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my love. Make sure you mix it well, and then you can add it into a mug. And the mug that I'm using is actually quite big. It's from IKEA, and some of the mug cakes that I make were actually like a less quantity, because the recipe indicates that it was actually it can split into two. But I guess the mug here I'm using is actually quite big, so one is enough. And I guess just for a small snack it should be enough, I guess, unless you want to double the recipe. And then once you're done, you can add in your sprinkles as much as you want. It really looks so pretty here, but after making it, mine actually went all the way down. I'm not sure how people manage to make it stay on the top, but doesn't really matter because we're still going to eat it. We can take a real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, You're my lover, you're my wonder. So you can now microwave it, and I'm actually adding it around 70 to 80 minutes. So mine, I took it out around at 80 minutes, but of course you can monitor and see how you like it. Next mug cake will be brownies. So if you want to make brownies, then you can follow this. You need flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, butter, and milk. Get a mixing bowl and add in your butter and also your brown sugar. Girl, we can take it real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, Begging on my knees, I'm just trying to please you. Just give me the word, I'ma make you feel real. You know I can't exist without you. Yeah, it's true. Could be any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. And then you can mix your butter and sugar first, and then after that you can prepare to add your flour. Any other girl, but
Okay, there was just this one thing that happened while I was doing this brownies. My cocoa powder is actually dark, so the recipe called for 2.5 tablespoons. So I actually added the whole thing, and it was kind of bitter at the end. So if you are like me using dark cocoa powder, do like half the recipe. I think it will be a bit better, because the thing was really nice, but it's just that it was like a bit too dark and bitter for me, unless you like it that way. And then you can add in your milk and just continue mixing.
We can take a real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah. Girl, we can take a real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah. You're my lover, you're my wonder. You're the reason I get dizzy when I stutter. Where you been, girl? You're my queen, girl. You're the cover of a glamour magazine, girl. I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning in her eyes. Fine as a fountain, I'll take a dip inside. So we can take it to my room, girl. What you wanna do?
This is quite a fast recipe, so if you're done after mixing, just add into your mug as well, and then you can prepare to go and microwave it and enjoy.
Come on over, fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, we can take it real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah. Begging on my knees, I'm just trying to please you. Just give me the word, I'ma make you feel real. You know I can't exist without you. Yeah, it's true.
So you can microwave it for around 60 to 80 seconds, but I actually microwave more longer than that, because I'm not sure is it because of my mug or anything like that, but it was too like undercooked for me, so I actually put it a little bit more, like 10 to 20 seconds more. So you can just monitor on your end, and if you want, just add in chocolate chips as well, but I didn't. And it looks really good, but it was just bitter, and I was really surprised that this was nice. The next mug cake will be Nutella Mug Cake, and you'll need oil, Nutella, salt, cocoa powder, baking powder, flour, sugar, egg, and milk. Get a mixing bowl and add in your flour, and also add in your baking powder and your salt. After that, you can add in your sugar. So I actually learned my lesson from the previous mug cake that I halved the cocoa powder here, so I'm only putting around 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then you can continue mixing. Next, you can add in your milk and continue mixing.
Come on over, fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah. Girl, we can take it real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah. You're my lover, you're my wonder. You're the reason I get dizzy when I stutter. Where you been, girl? You're my queen, girl. You're the cover of a...
Once that is mixed, then you can add in your oil. The recipe called for coconut oil, but I'm just using normal vegetable oil, and I mean, up to you if you want to use coconut oil or vegetable oil. It still turned out great.
Take you on a honeymoon, yeah. Girl, we can take it real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, we can take it real slow, never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah.
Then you can add in your egg and continue mixing until it's fully mixed.
You know I can't exist without you. Yeah, it's true. Could be any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl.
So I saved the best for last. So this called for 3 tablespoons of Nutella, but I didn't add the whole Nutella for 3 tablespoons. I actually added around 2 tablespoons and then mixed this in. And after that, once I added in it into a mug, I actually added 1 tablespoon into the center. If you want, you can add 3 tablespoons here and then later add in another one. I didn't want it to be so much because I'm like watching my food intake. So yeah, so if you want to, definitely just follow the recipe, but it was really damn good. I really liked it.
Girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about. Anything at all, but it's you. Any other girl, but it's you I'm dreaming about.
Girl, we can take a real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah. Girl, we can take a real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah.
You're my lover, you're my wonder. You're the reason I get dizzy when I stutter. Where you been, girl? You're my queen, girl. You're the cover of a glamour magazine, girl. I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning in her eyes. Fine as a fountain, I'll take a dip inside. So we can take it to my room, girl. What you wanna do?
I'm here adding the Nutella in the middle, but I couldn't really find it that much because I think I didn't add so much. So if you want, you can add in more in the center, so that when you scoop it out, it actually comes you can see the Nutella. And just microwave it once you're done. And this one, you can actually microwave it for around 90 seconds to 2 minutes. I just did around 1 minute max, and due to the baking powder, I guess this rise up until it actually filled the cup. But it was kind of not as moist as the others, but it was, I mean, as a mug cake, it was really nice. So if you want, do try. And that's all the mug recipes today that I have for you guys. If you really liked it, do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet.